Hi, Reggie friends, and welcome back. Lacey here, the Cheeky Bum, and today I have a Scrappy Boy haul for you. There was a sale just prior to Black Friday. I want to say it was like the weekend before Thanksgiving, or like a couple days before or I don't remember. Anyway, I ordered this before I went out of town. He was doing, I think it was like 30 or 35% off. I think for Black Friday it was only like 20 or 25%. So there was a good deal going on before then. And I had not ordered from Scrappy Boy before. I've always wanted to because he does like a couple niche things, a lot of pop culture type of stuff. So I've been wanting to, and I see Meliza do all kinds of amazing things. I'm not a huge stamper, but I'm gonna, it's one of my goals for the upcoming year is to stamp more and use some supplies that I haven't really used in the past. So that being said, I did do some Black Friday shopping. So you're going to see some hauls, and I like hauls myself. So we're going to get into it. So if you're not familiar with scrappyboy.com, go check it out. But I love Sailor Moon, and he's one of the only people that have Sailor Moon stuff. Like, it's kind of hard to come by his stuff, and I'm not familiar with his paper or anything. The only things I see are, on Instagram when I see other people use it. So I wanted to get my hands on a few things. So this is the Warrior Princess paper pad. So we have moons. This is kind of blurry. Hopefully not all of them are. Oh, it does seem like some of the prints are a little bit blurry. I don't know if that's a common thing, but if you look at it compared to this, the printing is just slightly off. But this is like a semi-gloss type of paper. It is definitely like a little shinier and smoother than some papers. Some people don't like that. I don't mind it, especially on the smaller scale. This type of paper does tend to crack when you're bending it too much, but I feel like for die cutting and just small little projects, you're going to be fine as long as you're not, folding it over and scoring it. But, yeah, I hope that not all of them are kind of blurry like that, because like this looks pretty crisp compared to this. So I don't know if I just got a bad pack or not. See, like this side is really good, and then it kind of blurs. That side looks good. Anybody else have this paper and can let me know what their thoughts are? Or maybe it's supposed to go slightly out of focus. Well, it kind of messes with my eyes a little bit. It's kind of trippy because it's just slightly off. I don't know. I don't know if it's just me. Let me know. Is it just me? So like, yeah, look at this side. So it looks so cute. And then you go to this side and it's like, what happened? Weird. Some of the printing is really good and nice and crisp. Not a care, but like, yeah, this side, pretty crisp. As you get to this side, it gets a little like just blurry. That is so odd. And you get two of each design. Oh, here's like a little scrap. So I don't know if it was just like a misprint. I don't know. Did I just get a bad batch? Oh, you get 3 of each. You get 3 of each. So at least you get a good number of papers, but I'm slightly disappointed in this paper so far. Hopefully the next one won't disappoint me. Because I also got the Author and the Queen, which is like Bridgerton, basically. I know for, trademark purposes, he's got to use, different names. So hopefully this one will be better. Let's see. So this is the main page. So I have done a couple Bridgerton swaps. I really like Bridgerton. I just like the feel of it as well, like that Regency era. So this is 4. And then we have this page. These roses and stripes. This printing is really good. So anybody else that has the Warrior Princess. You have to let me know how your printing is. It's really pretty. Didn't I already get this one? No, no, just similar birds. And then we have the quill. Because yeah, when I was doing a Bridgerton swap, I had thought about ordering this and I didn't. And now I could kick myself because it's so pretty. So I don't know. This one, the quality is really good. Not so much on the Warrior Princess. So at least it was only one of them. I did get some die cuts. So I got the Warrior Princess die cuts. I decided not to get the stamp and dies for some of the things because I was like, oh, I just don't know how much I would use this. So I just want to, I don't know if I want to take all the bits out. I just want to, well, I guess they're all coming out. But the printing on these are really good. I really like them. Let's see. Really good. I'm pleased with these. You get all of the sailors, you get Luna, you get what's his name? Oh, I can't even think of his name right now. The little mask guy. Oh man, I hate it when I have like a brain fart. But these are really cute, really good quality. I'm happy with it. Tuxedo Mask. Oh, that's his name. Gosh, I don't know how I forgot that. I was obsessed with Sailor Moon in middle school. I had Sailor Moon everything. So you get quite a few. It says 30 pieces or 33 pieces. So it's missing some sailor, like some of the girls. So these are not all of the girls. But I think if you order the stamp and die, you get all of the sailors. So I also got the Taylor Swift ones. I'm not going to take them all out, but they look really good too. Good printing. I have a couple of girlfriends that are obsessed with Taylor Swift, and I've done a Taylor Swift spread before in my October daily. So I thought these were cute. I did also get the Bridgerton ones just because, again, I want to do some crafts with these, and I don't know how great I am going to be at stamping and cutting. So I was like, oh, I'll order the die cuts so I have them without having to do it myself. So this one has 40 pieces. This one only has 18. That one had 33. I also got the Dearest Gentle Reader die, and it has a little quill. This is what it looks like. So I am all set for my next Bridgerton swap. These are just greeting phrases that I thought would be cute to have in my stash for cards. You know, how you doing? Howdy, hola, aloha, greetings, what's up? I just thought that they were cute. This is the Mad Hatter mini album, but of course I can use it for other things. And I thought, oh, I could use this not just for Mad Hatter. I could probably use it as something else. It kind of gives me Bridgerton vibes as well. I just don't have to use this piece. I don't know. I thought that I could play with this, so. I also got this, which is the Vintage Camera mini album. My dad was a photographer, so I just really like camera themed stuff, and I thought that this would be cute for like some travel albums, adventure books, you know, traveling notebooks, stuff like that. So that's why I got that one. I also got Audrey, or the Man-Eating Plants. That's what this one looks like. I thought about getting the paper collection to go with this, but I was like, I just don't know if I'll really do something that's, you know, a whole theme of, you know, the Shop of Horrors. But I thought Audrey is cool, and I would probably just use her more often. So I just stuck with just the die, but she is really cool. I got these stamps. These are just cute girly book. So cute girls love books. And I am in a book club. I love reading books. I wish I would have got this before I did my book club swap, but either way, it's cute. I did not get the stamps or the dies to cut these out because I thought, oh, I could probably just fussy cut these. I don't know how often I'd use them. So, and if I'm just using like the words and stuff, I just didn't think that I had to have the dies to go with these. But these are really cute. I really like this one. And then last but not least, I got, these are the Halloween pinup girls and the die, the coordinating dies. I figured this is what I'm going to use the most. I love Halloween stuff. I love pinup girls, and this is the combination of both of them. They're just so stinking cute. Oh, I just love them. And then, you know, the dies to go with. I'm very happy with my order. I think I'm going to have so much fun with these. The only, like I said, the only qualm I have is that paper collection. So somebody's going to have to let me know if they have it and what they think of it. If it's just mine or it's just not a great paper pad. Because, you know, if I like something, I'd repurchase it. Like, this is really cute. I really love this one. The quality is really good. But yeah, this one is just a little off. And it's not all of the pages, so it's just some that just the printing, like, this page is so cute, but it gives me a headache. Huh. I don't know. I don't know what I should do about this. I don't know if I, you know, want to complain about it or not. So anyway, this is my Scrappy Boy haul. If you have any questions, let me know. I will link everything down below so that you can go check it out as well. He'll probably do another sale around Christmas, I would assume. I'm not sure, but when he has a good sale, he's got a good sale. And I heard that he's like the sweetest person ever. I think Mika was saying that she got to meet him at one of the expos, and he was just so nice and kind. So, you know, if I could, you know, try to help support a small business, you know, we got to keep these guys afloat because, you know, we're losing outlets to purchase things left and right, it feels like. So if you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.